someday. You got it in the distance. You sounding good over here. Weekend Memorial, weekend wave, Boston and Boston, get up and go. Oh, you all up in my radio, that go around, Gary. I guess I got it. Up in my radio, that go around. Good evening. I got to that time. Same thing. My boy radio, waving a hand at 101. Hey, you're in Boston, get up and radio.
Lord have mercy, what a mess out there in DX land. 018 Tennessee Beavis, leading time wave.
And you all have a blessed and safe Memorial Day weekend. How did it wave, get up and go? 101.
I heard somebody say hello, 018. Good evening time, everybody. Hope you're all doing good this evening on this beautiful Saturday evening. Hope everybody has a good Memorial weekend coming up. Be 018 Tennessee Beavis with the evening time wave.
018 Tennessee, worldwide, Superman, New Jersey, waving a hand.
Hello, Superman up there in New Jersey. I got you on a video gate. Hello, Superman in New Jersey, man. I hope you have a good Memorial Day weekend. You know who it is, your friend 10, 018 Beavis with the wave.
Right there, right back, man. You enjoy. God bless, man. Have a safe Memorial Day weekend, no doubt. Take care. 018 Tennessee.
Hello, 841. How are you, man?
Alrighty, Superman in Jersey. Superman in Jersey. I appreciate you coming back, man. Hope you're all doing well up that way up north. Be your friend in 10, 018 to 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
Bye. 018, man. You got a good solid station. Tennessee. Take care. God bless. Superman, New Jersey.
Alrighty, Superman. How you say some flyers for yourself? Appreciate the comment, man. Appreciate the compliment. Say some flyers from yourself. A good evening, everybody. Hope you have a good Memorial weekend from 018 Tennessee down here at Donkey Stomper with the wave.
You're doing your thing with that Donkey Stomper. 018 Tennessee, Superman, New Jersey. Bye.
Bye.
Down. Hey, 018 Beavis, you making too much noise in Connecticut, man. Hey, 018 Beavis, you're making too much noise in Connecticut.
1 in Central Arkansas, 101, 327 up there, Eastern PA.
I didn't realize you was on the mall, man. I got off the key and you was on it.
Oh, hard function, 841.
Hey, String Bean in Connecticut, man. It's rough and tough down here in Tennessee, but I got you. Hey, String Bean in Connecticut, man. You're sounding good in Tennessee. I hope you have a good Memorial weekend, Mr. String Bean. 018 Tennessee, Beavis with the wave.
327 Eastern Central.
No more string bean, no more string bean, no more string bean in your radio. Superman, New Jersey, waving it. 199.
I heard Superman in New Jersey, it's all on the video gate. Video gate don't lie. 018 Beavis passing a 5.
10-4-4.
018 Beavis. 018. Hey, 018, 327. Back to you. But good evening time to you, Beavis.
Good evening time, Mr. String Bean. Appreciate you hollering, String Bean. Have a good Memorial weekend, man. And I heard 327 in there, too. Good evening time, 327. 018 Tennessee, Beavis with the wave.
Radio Beavis 018. Thanks for acknowledging, man. Okay, have a good weekend when you get to 327. Said, have a good one. Happy Memorial Day when you get to it, too. 327, getting out of the way. Bye.
Alrighty, 327. Sounding good down here in Tennessee, man. Got you on the gate good and clean that time. Hope you have a good Memorial weekend coming up. 018 Beavis, the evening time wave. We're listening.
841, Alabama.
841? How about it out there? Hard punching 841, Pennsylvania Cowboy.
Fisherman, this time, okay, pal, you all right?
The Catskill Mountains in New York.
How about a Pennsylvania Cowboy? Your friend in 10, 018 Beavis with the wave.
How you doing there, 018? I heard you up in there trying to get in, but I just must not have slid in there that time. But anyway, 018 Beavis, your friend, Pennsylvania Cowboy, northeast corners waving.
Hey, I got a whole room full of you down here right now, Pennsylvania Cowboy. Got a whole room full of you, man. Good hearing you on there. I hope you have a good Memorial weekend, man. You sound a real choice, and I got you on a video gate. Pennsylvania Cowboy, 018 Beavis with the wave.
I'm back in the water gate there. Hey, 018, I'm back in
Pennsylvania Cowboy, northeast corners, back in the bushes.
String banging up here around Connecticut. I'm back out. Beavis, you loud as a 12 o'clock whistle. I'm out.
Hey, String Bean, you're not too shabby down here yourself, man. Hey, String Bean, you're sounding real good up here in Tennessee, too. Got Pennsylvania Cowboy, and I heard Superman in Dallas. Heard you in all in there. Everybody sounding good. Hope you have a good evening. 018 Beavis rolling the gate.
10-4 on the gate, 018. Who you appreciate? Superman, New Jersey.
Boston Radio. Oh, Beavis, once again, String banging, waving one more time. I'm pulling out.
You see waving a hand?
Sounding good, String Bean. Heard somebody else holler there, too. Go ahead there. Everybody's sounding good. Hope you all have a good Memorial weekend. 018 Tennessee Beavis sitting here reading the mail.
I'm telling you, Beavis, you got this doggone.
No more string beans, 018. No more string beans. Superman, New Jersey. Bye, bye, bye.
018 Tennessee, Boston, get up and gone again.
Waving, break.
Hello, Boston Radio. I hadn't talked to you this evening. Hey, Boston Radio, good evening time to you, man. Hope you have a good weekend, Boston Radio. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
Smarty.
Boston, your radio. Hey, 018. You still have Boston, your radio. Superman, New Jersey.
How about at 101 in Arkansas, Pennsylvania?
I heard you too, Superman, New Jersey. I hear you every time. Hello, Smarty Jones. Smarty Jones in New York. Smarty Jones, your friend 10. 018 Beavis with Memorial Weekend Wave.
How about it, 018? You got a copy on 199. How about it, 018? 199. Break.
Hello, 199. Hello, 199, man. You sounding good in Tennessee? Hope you have a good Memorial weekend coming up. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
Luke, right, Black 4, man, but good evening time once again to you, man. Do we do it again? Mr. 841 on there around beautiful Tennessee, Alabama. God darn it, man, I'm tongue twisted. 841, string, bang, back out. You're still up in there too, man, but you all got to watch out for old Beavis, man, because Beavis got a great big old stick up here around Connecticut this evening. Hey, Bullet, put it on your later, string, bang, back out.
Boston Radio does wave it. Hey, 149 JJ, Boston does wave the weekend Memorial Holiday wave. JJ, Boston, gone.
Call back. That mobile of yours is working too,
Super Bully, your shotgun, Massachusetts.
Hey, Bullet, you sitting on the 20
Your shotgun, Massachusetts, break.
Hello, Shotgun, Massachusetts. Hello, Shotgun. 018 Beavis, Memorial Weekend Wave at you, Mr. Shotgun.
Good morning, this is 018 Canada Douglas Stomper. Good to hear you out there doing your thing. Mr. 018 Tennessee Beavis, your great big old gun, Massachusetts on this driver, and I'm back out.
Roger, Shotgun. What's rough and tough in there, man? But you're sounding real good, Shotgun. Glad to hear you on there, man. Hope you have a good weekend. 018 Beavis, Memorial Weekend Wave.
Boston Radio. One more time, I get up and go.
I heard a lot of people in there that time. It was rough and tough, man. I couldn't really make heads or tails of nothing, but it's everybody in there once I get on separator, but I am rolling the gate, and you can watch the gate here in a few minutes. 018 Beavis with the Memorial Weekend Wave from Donkey Stomper. I was able to make out Superman, and I've been hearing String Bean in and out of there too, but I heard Superman, I heard String Bean. I've been hearing both of y'all the whole time. It's rough and tough, but I do hear you in there, and I can't acknowledge you. 018 Beavis with the wave.
It's got to be rough and tough.
Take care, God bless. 018. Worldwide, super, Superman.
Come on in, 50. 50, Double Deuce, Rhode Island, waving. Opinion of you ain't about it?
Hello, Double Deuce, Rhode Island. Hello, Double Deuce, Rhode Island. 018 Tennessee Beavis for more Weekend Wave.
Hey, 01. How you there, Beavis? Sounding good in my neighborhood, brother. God bless you and yours from my house to yours, and hope you have a great, safe Memorial Day weekend. Flyboy Radio down on the hammer, waving a hand.
Alrighty, Double Deuce, Flyboy Radio. Appreciate you hollering at me, man. Done real good in Tennessee. Happy Memorial Weekend from 018 Beavis, Tennessee, down here at Donkey Stomper with the wave.
Hey, 50, Virginia, it was Flyboy Radio, Rhode Island. Double Deuce, Unit 22 calling at you.
Looks like something loading. Got down.
We're going to get out of the road, load this gate up, and if the skip's still rolling, I'll come back on here in about 30 minutes or something, holler back at y'all. Everybody have a good evening, have a good Memorial weekend. Hope you're all doing well and swell from 018 Tennessee Beavis down here at Donkey Stomper with the wave. And I'll catch you a little bit later. Bye-bye.
Live 018. Live 018. Listen, 018, take it easy, take care. Your brain, big old gun, I'm back out. Warming up, working up.
Bye, shotgun. I'll be back in about 30 minutes. I'm going to load this gate, take a break, get out of the road, and let everything calm down a little bit, and I'll come on here and roll another gate. 018 Beavis. I'm back 10-7.
Boston Radio, just get up. 413.